So hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's design is going to be a pink marble design with a little bit of glitter. Products I'm going to be using are listed below. So I've gone in with the white acrylic and then I'm quickly cleaning my brush, picking up Kimono, which is the lovely pink, and then popping it near the white and blending through, like dragging the tip of the brush through and down the nail. I'm just going to go in with some more white and dragging it through. So I'm going to repeat this process a couple of times until I've got my desired effect on the nail. Now I'm going to apply some glitter using some clear acrylic powder, popping it on the nail and then going in with the glitter. Now I'm happy with the glitter placement, I'm going in with the clear and just encapsulating that design. So when I file over it's not going to remove any of the glitter. I'm just going to wait for it to set. So here I'm just doing a quick test pinch to see whether the nail's set. I'm going to go in and file the side walls and the free edge. And filing in that cuticle area. And then across the surface of the nail. So I'm going to go in with my Efile now just to debulk that nail. So I'm just going in and neatening up my edges, and then I'll go over with a buffing block. I'm using pure acetone just to wipe over that nail with a lint-free wipe, get rid of all those imperfections. Now I'm going to cover my design with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And pop it under the lamp for a minute. And using the pink pineapple cuticle oil, I'm going to rehydrate that nail. So this is a really cute, like Valentine's-y design, but it's not too much in your face. I hope you enjoyed today's design, and give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye!